Okay, I'm Chris Stapler, and this is problem 24 from chapter 1.6. So, we start out with this equation 2x is 2x y prime plus y cubed e to the negative 2x equals 2xy. And off the bat, we could multiply both sides by 1 over 2x to get this equation dy over dx plus e to the negative 2x y cubed over 2x equals y, which looks a lot like Bernoulli's equation, which is dy over dx plus p of x y equals q of x y to the n. So right here, I list what this equation's p of x is, which is negative 1. It's q of x, which is equal to negative e to the 2x over 2x, and what its n is in the equation y to the n, which is 3. And from this, we could start substituting with v in for y equals 1 to the 1 minus n, which in this case we could get v equal to y over y to the negative 2. So change that around and we get y equals v to the negative 1/2 power, and from that we take the derivative and we get dy over dx equals to negative 1/2 v to the negative 3/2 dv over dx. And so once we know that, we could plug it back into this equation right here, this original equation. We could plug the y and the y and the dx we found back into that. So we're left with this equation right here. And so once we get that equation, we can multiply both sides by negative 2 times v 3/2, and then from that we're left with this linear first order equation right here. And from this linear first order equation we could solve by using an integration factor, which we multiply to both sides, which I found to be e to the 2x. So we multiply that to both sides and we could get that dx e to the 2x v is equivalent to the derivative of, is equivalent to e to the negative 2x over x e to the 2x. And after that we could solve the equation but e to the 2x v equal to the integral of 1 over x dx, and we solve that and we get e to the 2x v equal to ln of x plus c, which then we could plug back in y into that, or what v is actually equal to in y, which is the v equal to y to the negative 2 power. And from that we could switch it around and we get our answer of y squared equal to e to the 2x over ln of x plus c.